Hey guys, we're talking about undergraduate versus graduate degrees. What does that even mean? So you'll hear those terms thrown around a lot, and if you're not used to the college terminology, it's going to be confusing. So undergraduate refers to associates and bachelors. So once you get a bachelor's degree, anything after that is considered graduate level. So if you're talking about master's degrees, PhDs, which is a doctorate, those are all graduate degrees. If you're talking about associate's degrees, bachelor's degrees, those are undergraduate degrees. That's the difference. So it's that simple, and I hope this video helped you guys out.